night when tears won't seem to dry. Jesus, heal our wounded hearts where sorrow hides inside. With gentle hands and loving grace, you mend the broken parts. Bring peace to every shattered soul and healing to our hearts. Jesus, healer of our pain, you mend the hurt, you break the chains. In your embrace we find our rest. Oh Jesus, heal our wounded hearts. Through the storms of life we faced, and battles lost and won, you're the hope that never fades, the light that leads us on. In every trial, every fear, you're with us in the dark. You bring redemption to our lives and heal our wounded hearts. Jesus, healer of our pain, you mend the hurt, you break the chains. In your embrace we find our rest. Oh Jesus, heal our wounded hearts. Though the scars may still remain, your love endures the pain. You turn our mourning into joy and bring us peace again. We lift our voices in praise for all you've done and are. Jesus, healer of our hearts, our Savior and our star.
In the silence of the night, when tears won't seem to dry, Jesus, heal our wounded hearts where sorrow hides inside. With gentle hands and loving grace, you mend the broken parts. Bring peace to every shattered soul and healing to our hearts. Jesus, healer of our pain, you mend the hurt,